Hello everyone. Today we will talk about photosynthesis, the process by which green plants use sunlight to synthesize food from carbon dioxide and water. So this process is called photosynthesis. Okay, in some simple words, we can say the process of making food. Okay, if we talk about the plants will produce their food in the presence of sunlight, that is called photosynthesis. If we talk about its formula, that is 6CO2 means 6 molecules of carbon dioxide and 6 molecules of water. Okay, when they will combine together in the presence of light and chlorophyll, it will become 6H12O6 means glucose or energy plus oxygen. It will release oxygen also. So now if we talk about its raw material, that is sunlight, that is the source of energy, and other is carbon dioxide, it will come from air, and the third one is water, that will be provided or can be taken from the soil. Okay, then we can see in the picture, you can see here is a picture of the plant, and here upside the yellow color, it is sunlight and it is directly coming to the leaves of the plant. Okay, then we can see how it works. When the sunlight will come, in the daytime carbon dioxide will enter through stomata. These are tiny pores, because in the daytime they will be opened and they can absorb the sunlight as well as the carbon dioxide. Okay, and then there will be oxygen will be released in this process. It will be released into the air, means carbon dioxide is coming from air to the leaves and oxygen is being released from the leaves to the air. Okay, then are the products? These will be the plant's chlorophyll will trap the light energy and it will be helpful to produce its green color. Okay, when the glucose food for the plant, okay, it will help to make the food that is called glucose for the plant. Okay, then you can see in the picture that the water will be absorbed by the roots. Okay, here the water will be absorbed by the roots, and the food which will be produced in the upper part of the plant, that will be provided to the roots and ground downside with the help of xylem and phloem. Okay, xylem will help the water and minerals to transport from roots to the shoot system, while the phloem will help to transport the food from upper part to the lower part. Okay, here we can see the stages of photosynthesis. These will be four stages. First one is light absorption, second one is the conversion, and third one is synthesis, and the fourth one is release. Okay, we can see this light absorption. In this, the chlorophyll in the leaves absorbs sunlight, while in the other conversion, light energy is converted into the chemical energy. And the number third, you can see here, this is in this carbon dioxide and water are converted into the glucose, that is the food of the plants. Okay, then number 4, it is the point is release. What will be released in this process? The oxygen is waste product. We can say that waste product for the plants, not for other animals. All the animals will use this oxygen, so we cannot say that this is the waste product for all. So for plants we can say that. Okay, the oxygen is released into the atmosphere in this process. Okay, the extra oxygen which will be produced in this process, that will be released into the air. Okay, so this was the means short form of photosynthesis, which you can learn easily. So if you like my channel and you like the videos, you can like and subscribe, please. Thank you.